Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. قال الله تعالى في سورة الأنعام وقالوا لولا نزل عليه آية من ربه قل إن الله قادر على أن ينزل آية ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون. Translation: And they say, why a miracle or sign has not been sent down upon him from his Rabb? Say, Allah certainly has power to send down a sign, but most of them cannot understand. The kuffar of Mecca had only one point that they got stuck to, and it was that if Prophet Muhammad ﷺ is a real prophet of Allah, why does not he show a miracle, a sign similar to the previous prophets who showed sign to their people? And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala decided that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will not show a physical sign to them as the previous nations, and it was a proof of mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that he did not show the sign to the people of Mecca, because once a sign is shown that they were asking, then if they don't accept the truth, they will be destroyed. And all the prophets who had shown signs to their people, and when the people rejected the sign, they were destroyed by the severe punishment given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So not showing the sign through Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the rahmah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was also told this, that we are not going to show a sign to you, O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as we saw in the previous ayahs. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given guidance to many of those people who were non-believers at the time, but they were not destroyed. And in the end, many of those mushrikeen converted to Islam and they embraced Islam. Absolutely, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had all the powers to show any sign, as He is ala kulli shayin qadir. He is capable of doing anything and has perfect control of everything. But because of His mercy, He did not show the sign and gave the people of Mecca more chance towards coming Islam. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.